Hey everyone, welcome back to Whatever You Want Jordana. It's been a while since I've posted any videos on YouTube. I just recorded my reintroduction video, and now I have something even more exciting to share. An unboxing! So this was delivered via Canada Post. Should have brought scissors. It's just so much more fun to like rip something open, especially when you've been waiting for it for over a week. So today I received some brand new medication. So we'll start off first with the importance of the legalization and rules on medical cannabis and oh sorry, here's the right way. That's the French way. This is not the right way, but the English way. There's no right and wrong. So here you get a sticker. This is from Tweed Main Street. So here you get a sticker that I need to put on my medical card, which I will do. This is consumer information on marijuana. I can do a whole video on just the ridiculousness of that book. So usually I order some of the Tweed products. This time I ordered a Snoop Dogg product. I got oil by Snoop, Leaves by Snoop. The packaging's so cool. So I got Ocean View Sativa. I use medical cannabis oil every single day. I use it for anxiety, depression, and postpartum depression and anxiety. I use it in a gelatin capsule. So let me open this up. So here you have a little catalog that comes with the product. So it's a dosing guide. It says, please read. This is important. So whoops. I have yet to try. I'm in my bathroom. I don't know if you could tell. It's the best lighting for now. And I can smoke in here. So I have yet to use Leaves by Snoop. Like I said, I was using this other oil. It was called Quinn, and it was a 1-to-1 ratio, so it had 10% THC and 10% CBD, whereas this one is a sativa, and it is, I believe, 17.5? 17.5, we'll see on the box. So it tells you how to take the oil, how to ingest it, the amount of time that you need to wait between doses for an effect. So I always would take 2 capsules, and in 2 capsules you can only fill it with 9 milliliters. So they provide you a medical syringe. So it pretty much fills up just till there. So I'll fill this up with the oil. So all their oils, no matter what company it is, always comes packaged in this protective cloth paper, and the bottle's so small. So this is the oil. So it has all the contents, all the info, which I could share. Has my prescription right here. So it even has like a scan thing. So this is a 40 ml bottle. It tells you when it's been packaged. It tells you, so the equivalency factor is, it says like what 8 milliliters is equivalent to 1 gram of dry flower. And then it just tells you that it's cannabidiol, and that it is 15% THC and 0.7. I say percent, they say milligrams, milliliters. I always went with percentage. I don't know if it's going to smell any good. I freaking hate the taste of oil. So that's why I'll put it in a capsule. So it actually smells a little bit fruity, but it's not like crazy. There's no crazy smell. And that's it. That's my cannabis oil. Leafs by Snoop. The packaging is super pretty. I might just keep this box for zero reason whatsoever because who needs boxes? If you hang on, I can show you the capsules I use. So I bought these at Health Tree. I'm gonna need to buy more. This cost me about $12 or $13. They're the double OO capsules. They are gelatin. So like that, and then, oh, since I haven't taken any, I could just do it right now. So you take your syringe. Oh, if I got my oil, I might actually like scream. So you take the syringe, you're gonna put it in there. You're not gonna wanna like insert it all the way. You could see where the oil is. And then I go just about 9 because I'm used to filling up I do like pre-fill capsules so that every morning instead of just standing there and filling them one by one, I'll just do a few at a time when I have time to do it. So you want to be really careful when you insert the oil into the capsule. You don't want to put the tip of the syringe inside because then it'll overflow. Oh, crapola. I just got that onto my finger. It's not the best process, I won't lie. It's a little tedious, it gets a little messy, and because I usually do this in the kitchen, I'm gonna take one today because it's my first time having a sativa oil at that percentage. I'm just gonna have the one today and do the progression and see how I'll feel. So because I have a family, I have 2 little kids, and my husband cooks, and but usually this is done in the kitchen. I always have like paper towel or something underneath the oil so that the oil doesn't contaminate anything. It feels so good to be back on YouTube. I'm really excited. So yeah, I use oil every single day, and I also smoke. I find that when you smoke, it enhances, like when you take oil. If you take your oil and then like an hour or 2 later you smoke a little bit of weed, you're going to find yourself like the high from the oil increases so much, and then not only does it increase, but it actually makes you feel the high and it lasts so long. So it's a really great combination. I use it daily simply to help with physical anxiety. So I get a lot of my symptoms are physical when it comes to anxiety before the verbal and like the breakdown, meltdown happens. So there are always signs to the anxiety. So I get really itchy, I get sweaty, I get dizzy, I get what I feel like is like electrical currents, like surges in my arms, sometimes my legs, it depends. So there's a lot of physical attributes to my anxiety, and because of that, I take the CBD really helps. So just in case you're not aware of the difference between THC and CBD, you can always Google it. But basically, CBD does not have the psychedelic effect. It has so many other positive effects to it. You do not get high from it. My husband, it's a really great way to quit smoking cigarettes. My husband is going to be trying just the CBD because he enjoys smoking something, but wants to give up the nicotine. So it smells like weed, tastes like weed, looks like weed. It's weed. It just doesn't get you high. So it's really beneficial for arthritis, epilepsy, cancer, period cramps, pregnancy symptoms, multiple sclerosis, arthritis, if I didn't say that already, like joint pain. They have topicals, they have suppositories, they have oils, they have edibles, they have flour. Everything is at our disposal right now, you guys. So now is the time to start accepting the beauty of cannabis. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to write them down and I will comment back. Peace out.